Hi everyone. I just received this gift from Maniology for being the ambassador. It's my platinum gift, so I'm super excited to show you what I got. This is my ambassador program is, I get points or something like that when you use my code for Maniology. So thank you to everyone who uses my code when purchasing from Maniology. So let me show you what I have. First, we'll take a closer look at this this is super cute. It's a plate holder. So can't have too many of those. I love it. I can't wait to put some of my favorite stamping plates in there that I use a lot. So this is very good. They sent me 2 stamping plates, so let's take a close look at these. This one is super cute, and it is M323. Some squiggles, I love that, and leaves. I can't wait to use this. And this one is a bunch of swirls. This is very nice. I was looking at this one too and thought it was really cool. So I'm really excited to get these 2 new plates. And last but not least, they sent me 2 base coats. So I have the calcium rich blushing base coat and the calcium rich milk base coat. So they also sent me 2 base coats. These are calcium rich base coats. So we have the calcium rich blushing base coat and the calcium rich milk base coat. So I'm going to try both of these on today. The calcium rich blushing base coat is described as a sheer pink shade designed to give nails a nice healthy looking fuchsia glow. And the blushing base coat is loaded with calcium to give your nails that extra boost in strength and growth. Perfect as a base for your nail polishes. It also says to apply 1 thin, even layer to enhance your natural nail color, then paint over to stamped directly on top. It also works wonderfully as a negative space and French tip manicure. Okay, let's see how this looks. Kind of gives it, yeah, it looks like it, you want to just put it on really lightly. If you want to use it as like just a sheer wash of color over your nails, you're going to want to put it on really lightly. Now, I was trying to take some off and I got too much on because it will show the color of pink. I don't know. Yeah, I don't think I'd wear this one on its own because that looks just like your nails are stained from some kind of pink polish. You might be able to build it up in a couple of coats to get a good color, so we'll try that. Now this might have worked out really good if they hadn't used like fuchsia color. It actually, you know, like if they had used like a sheer baby pink or something like that, something really light that most companies have when they're you know, saying that you could use it as a French manicure or negative space, because this is definitely not either. So we'll see what it looks like in like 3 coats. You might be able to wear, if you just wanted to wear a base coat, this, like you don't want to put anything else on top of it. We'll see what it looks like in 3 coats. Because right now it still doesn't look really good. I would never wear it like this. Definitely wear it maybe 3 coats or underneath a polish for the calcium, calcium enriching. All right, let's see what 3 coats looks like. Three coats looks like a pretty good jelly. If you wanted to wear it alone or use it as a, you know, a negative space manicure. But I don't think I would do anything less than that. But that's just my preference. I wish they had done like a really super light, kind of nudie pink. That would have been really great. Maybe that'll be on their list next. But so this is what that looks like in 3 coats. This is the Calcium Rich Milk Base Coat. And it says this is a semi-sheer milky white that's formulated to brighten nail beds and repair discoloration for a cleaner, healthier appearance. This milk base coat is loaded with calcium to give your nails the extra boost in strength and growth. And it's a perfect base for your nails. This one also says to apply 1 thin, even layer to enhance your natural nail color, then paint over or stamp directly on top. It works wonderfully as a negative space and French tip manicure. Let's see what this one looks like. This one doesn't look too bad in 1 coat, so you could get away with this one to wear as a negative space mani, or, you know, just without any polish on. Yeah, I like this one just like this. I'm not going to put any more coats on there. Just the more coats you put on, the more opaque it's going to be. But I think this one looks really fine just by itself. If you just wanted to, you know, wear, you know, base coat with calcium enriched stuff in it. But you didn't really want any nail polish on your nails. This is good. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching and for using my Maniology code. Bye for now.